Alright everybody, I went inside a massive long position right over here inside the VIP channel, and as you guys can actually see here, these long positions are currently active and they are currently trading, and as well, I'm still up here $860,000 here on the other exchange, the BTCC exchange. As you can see, the Ethereum and the Bitcoin position both in a massive profit. The Ethereum won here on $670,000 and the Bitcoin won on $185,000. Ethereum especially here recently has been making a significant move to the upside, and in this video, I'm actually going to tell you guys here what I'm going to be looking at here for the next few hours moving forward, because I think this thing is about to go absolutely fire. So let's dive here straight into it. So basically what you guys can see over here right inside the VIP channel, I opened right over here these trades, as you can see right over here. I opened another Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, and Ethereum position right over here on the Blofin exchange. And what we can actually see here is that this is not a big position. It's not a absolutely massive position. So the initial point here of this trade was that this was going to be a momentum long position. And the thing is that we were very close to this high, and I thought that we were going to see a big candle here to the upside, and we were going to fly to the upside and break here out of high. But we didn't actually got that. However, what we can actually see here is that my Ethereum position is up here $10,000, and these other positions, they're probably likely going to follow as well. I mean, the entry doesn't matter that much. I mean, this is in total only $500,000 in total in volume that I actually opened here in long positions. I mean, this trade is a lot bigger. So in total, I'm down $5,000 here in these trades in total, and I'm currently up here $870,000 on these two trades over here. So of course, the actual difference is very small, but I was a little bit too early. I did actually open right over here inside the VIP channel a trade a little bit earlier as well. Very similar trade that I opened right over here at the bottom, and you can actually see it right over here with this green arrow right over here. That it closed a little bit later, but I just decided to reopen it, and so far, well, as you guys can actually see, just be a little bit patient, and I think the market's probably going to fill up here momentum and move it to the upside. I mean, this thing is looking very juicy. So in the VIP channel, I will actually post my trades here. It's very easy to join. All you have to do is just sign up right over here with this link right over here in the description. Right over here, use my link to sign up here on Blofin, and then just fill in your email, your password, and then sign up right over here as well. You can sign up with Google. And after that, just send me a message right over here in the description. I will actually put my my Telegram DM right over here below the link over here. DM me, and if you deposit $500 on this exchange with my link, I will actually add you to the channel. So it's very easy. Just send me a DM and I will actually add you here right over here to the group as well. Currently we almost have 100 members, so yeah, that's gonna be very interesting as well. Hope to see you guys right over here in this channel. So anyway, moving very quickly forward here, we've gone over those trades here. Let's very quickly look here at the M2 money supply. So this indicator over here, the M2 money supply is, you know, a little bit of a funny story, is that people were making all sorts of wild claims about this indicator, and I said, guys, it's not going to follow the indicator exactly one-to-one. That some people were saying that, you know, the M2 money supply is basically the global volatility of the money, which means if it goes up, then the Bitcoin price tends to go up as well. If it goes down, it tends to go down. I mean, it's pretty accurate. Like, it pretty much predicts every single bull run. I'm not going to talk about the long-term analysis, just the short-term analysis here. A lot of people were saying, like, a lot of the big important traders were saying, like, oh, this is a fake indicator that doesn't work. It's just a bunch of magic that, you know. But realistically, this indicator does work. It doesn't necessarily, again, need to be one-to-one, but if this indicator starts flying to the upside, more often than not, what happens is Bitcoin tends to follow as well. So this thing is very high, as you guys can see right now. It, again, very beautifully followed here, over here in the last couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months. And currently, we're still at a very high level. And I still think the Bitcoin price is going to catch up, which is one of the reasons why I have put in these long positions right over here. As you guys know here, I closed this position here on $650,000, currently up here, another $850,000 here, these two trades here. So again, these were all also trades here, put inside here, the VP channel a little bit earlier. So anyway, those were the trades here that I've actually put here, just trading here the M2 money supply. Just flawlessly, every single trade here over here was on the bottom. I as well, of course, used the Team Underground Magic RSI bands. It's my free indicator. Check out the link in the description if you want to actually use it. It's free stuff here, just give you guys free stuff just as a thank you for watching here this channel. Just check out the indicator, put it on the 7-hour time frame. We beautifully touched it here at the bottom, and that also coincides with the trade I did earlier on Blofin that I closed a little bit early, too early. Probably should have kept it going, but actually I went back in here in a momentum trade. That is probably going to be, hopefully, in a profit now. So anyway, I just understand, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so as always, just a disclaimer, just don't follow my trades, anything like that. I'm just a random guy on the internet. You know, I make fun, I make jokes, I'm just a funny guy, so do not take me serious. It's all just my own personal opinion. But we do have these two wedges here as well, very similar. We just touch here 7 hour, touch here 7 hour. I mean, the move here, the momentum that this is to the upside, I think this thing is gonna be flying, absolutely flying here to the upside. I was a little bit uncertain, a little bit here at the bottom, but we have the momentum now. I mean, it's just going to be a matter of time. Like the way the price actually move, if we break above this high and we start breaking to 130, things are going to go nuts. Views are going to go nuts. People are going to go nuts. And it's great that actually, if you actually have been watching this channel for a very, very long time, you guys all know, if you go to the long-term time frame, just go to the weekly time frame. We over here at Team Underground bought all the way here at the bottom. You can go on my X page. You can check it out. I have a link there in the description as well. Check it out. I went out to this massive long position here at the bottom, bought a bunch of spot Bitcoin as well. We've been riding it all the way to the upside. Now, you guys know that we're still anticipating here the Bitcoin rainbow wave indicator. We are anticipating here this top eventually here at about $200,000 US. I'm still riding along with those Bitcoin. I haven't sold any of my Bitcoin at the bottom right over here on the bottom. So we're just going to be trading this along. Now, we all know that when this thing going to start breaking like 130, 140,000 US, views are going to go crazy. People are going to go crazy about the Bitcoin price. People are going to start buying it at the top. But we pretty much know here that the more we're going to start moving to the 200K target, the more the Bitcoin price is going to be overheated, and the more likely the chance that this is going to be sort of the bear market. I think we have about a couple months left, 4 months, 3 months. We use the time frames that also coincides here with the Bitcoin rainbow wave indicator right over here, this red line. Somewhere around October, November, I think this price is going to top out. Maybe a little bit later, early December. We have a couple months left for this Bitcoin bull run. When it's eventually going to peak, the altcoins are going to peak. But I think we do have to be a little bit cautious here. So these trades are great. I mean, they're fun to look at. There's a Ethereum trade doing very, very well, 870K. But we got to be still patient. And we don't want to buy at the top and just get absolutely wrecked. We just got to be a little bit patient for this thing. Eventually, we're going to go back here to 60K. So everybody who's going to be buying at these levels eventually are going to be in a loss again. So anyway, that's going to be the strategy moving forward. If I am going to be selling any of my Bitcoin, I will, of course, tell you guys here inside the VIP channel, which is completely free to join. Again, just check out here the link in the description to sign up here with Blofin. Then DM me on Telegram. I will have another link right over here. Very easy. Just sign up over here with your email password, your Google, your Apple account, whatever. Deposit $500, do some trading, and then I will add you to the channel completely for free. And as well, take advantages here of the bonuses that they actually give away. So anyway, with that, I'm going to be ending this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hope to see you guys, of course, in my next video. Bye-bye.